Good morning, students. I think all of you are in good health and a very fine mood. Today, we will start a new chapter, and you can say a new branch of chemistry, that is organic chemistry, which is very important for your board exam as well as for your entrance exam. And the first chapter of your organic chemistry is haloalkane and haloarine. Haloalkane and haloarine. Let you take your copy and pen and start to write what I will write in the board. You should take the notes. And another thing which I want to say, that organic chemistry is such a branch where regular practice is required. Without that, you are unable to give the answer in case of your exam. For that, regular practice is required. Haloalkane. Haloalkane. Halo means halogen. Alkane means methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, like this. Halo, that is halogen, that is our, that depend as X, that depend as X. Halogen means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are known as halogen. These are known as halogen. Now, if we consider any alkane and if one or more than one number of hydrogen is replaced by this halogen, then the compound which is formed, that is our haloalkane. From here, what we can say, that if we take any alkane, alkane is generally represented by RH. If hydrogen will come out, and halogen will join, then what we will get? RH. What we will get? RH. Hydrogen is come out, halogen will join, then what we will get? That is RH. This is our haloalkane. This is our haloalkane. Now, when we will read haloalkane, at the very beginning, we should have an idea about the classification of haloalkane. Classification of haloalkane. This is the first thing in case of our haloalkane. First part of our haloalkane. Classification of haloalkane. As per the number of halogen present, haloalkane can be divided into 4 parts. Haloalkane can be divided into 4 parts. That is monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, and tetrahaloalkane. Monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, and tetrahaloalkane. Monohaloalkane, if the number of halogen is only 1, that is our monohaloalkane. As for example, if we consider CH3, CH2X, this is our monohaloalkane because here the number of halogen is only 1. If we consider CH2X2, CH2X2, that is our dihaloalkane, because here the number of halogen is 2. Like that, if we consider CHX3, here the number of halogen is 3. For that, this is our trihaloalkane. Like that, if the number of halogen is 4, then it is our tetrahaloalkane. Now, if we take the proper example, you can take it, this halogen as chlorine, then CH3, CH2, Cl. Ethyl chloride, CH2, Cl2. Methylene chloride, CHCl3, chloroform, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So these are the proper example of our monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, and tetrahaloalkane. Monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, and tetrahaloalkane. If we consider monohaloalkane, it can again be divided into 3 parts as per the position of carbon, or what we can say as per carbocation. This monohaloalkane is again divided into 3 parts. Number 1, primary haloalkane. Number 2, secondary haloalkane. Number 3, tertiary haloalkane. Primary haloalkane, secondary haloalkane, tertiary haloalkane. Or we can say 1 degree haloalkane, 2 degree haloalkane, 3 degree haloalkane. So these can again divided into 3 parts. One is primary the other is secondary, and the other is tertiary. Primary is known as 1 degree, secondary is known as 2 degree, tertiary is known as 3 degree. All of you read all these things, that is the primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, in class 11. Then also I am telling you about the primary carbon, that is 1 degree carbon. If we consider any carbon and if it joined with any other carbon, if we consider any carbon where halogen join, and if that carbon join with another one carbon, that is our primary carbon. As for example, if we consider CH3, CH2, Cl. Here chlorine join with this carbon and this carbon join with this carbon. For that, this is our primary carbon. This is our primary carbon or 1 degree carbon. And this type of alkyl halide, this type of haloalkane is known as our primary haloalkane. This type of haloalkane is known as our primary haloalkane. If we consider any haloalkane where halogen will join with that carbon and that carbon will join with two other carbon. If we consider this one, this is our primary carbon, but if we consider carbon CH3, CH3, H, Cl. This is our secondary carbon because this carbon join with two other carbon. This carbon join with two other carbon. For that, this carbon is known as our secondary carbon or 2 degree carbon, and if halogen will join with 2 degree carbon, that is our secondary haloalkane or 2 degree haloalkane. 2 degree haloalkane. Like that, if we consider any carbon and if this carbon join with 3 other carbon, then this carbon is known as our tertiary carbon, and if halogen will join with this carbon, then this is our tertiary alkyl halide. This is our tertiary alkyl halide. This is our tertiary alkyl halide or 3 degree alkyl halide. Now student, is it clear? This is our primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree, and these are the examples: CH3, CH2Cl, CH3, CH3, CHCl, CH3 whole 3, CCl or CX. Understand? Now, if we consider